Maybe we did an M&M Sour Patch or eat it.
That sounds disgusting. Chocolate with...
Number 4.
Hey guys,
it's Naya.
and Ellie, and today we're doing Don't Choose
Choose
the
the
Wrong
Wrong
M&Ms.
M&Ms.
M&M's.
That's right, guys. Today we have glue and we have M&Ms in these bags. We have different flavors of M&Ms. Look at these.
We have mint. We have
So delicious.
we have mint, guys. Don't you love mint M&Ms?
And this little one talking is Team Little Sister, and this one is Team Big Sister. Naya and Ellie, are you ready to get started?
Look at my more.
Yep, Naya, Ellie has on merch. So to get started, we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Snip, 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 snip.
Okay, guys, so we're
Miami.
now gonna pour some clear glue to get started. So that's our base. We'll be mixing M&Ms and clear glue.
Now.
the struggle. Oh. All right, let's help
Like
Naya.
the struggle bus.
Naya is on a struggle bus.
So I
right?
can do it myself.
No, I'm gonna help you because this looks like this is. Before Naya picks her numbers, guys, have you subscribed to this channel? This channel is Naya versus Ellie. This is not the main channel, Naya and Ellie Toy Show. You have to subscribe to this new channel and hit the notification bell. This is a new channel, or you will not get any new videos and miss out on all this.
And you'll get
M&M's. Ellie.
All right, Naya, there you go.
I'm getting all my cash. 5 is my middle name.
Number 5. Nope, don't touch anything. Oh, number 5. Naya, you got peanut butter M&Ms. Do you like peanut butter M&Ms?
No, I like peanut butter though. I
Okay.
think that actually would be good. This is probably
So here is Naya's. Make sure you open this over top of the thing because you never know what could be inside.
Oh,
Be careful.
yes, I feel them.
Open it up over top of this.
I can't.
Here she goes. Nothing.
M&Ms.
Oh, here's your bag, Naya.
I lied, Ellie.
Here's your bag. She has purple glue.
It's like frosting. I'm
Be careful. Don't
frosting
squeeze it
my
too hard before it pops
cake
open.
For my wedding day. This looks
Okay,
like
it's my
the worst
turn.
wedding
It
dress.
It is now Team Ellie.
So nice to porn cocoa.
Guys, whose team are you repping? Are you repping Big Sister or Little Sister?
That's just a B.
A B?
Yeah. What's
Okay.
It's 9.
9. Here is number 9. Ellie, oh, you have M&M minis. Do you think you have M&Ms, Ellie, or do you think you have glue? It's just little mini ones, regular chocolate ones.
I think it's just regular one.
Yep. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut the corner off. You want me to cut it for you? You want to hold the bag?
Yeah.
All right. I'll cut it like that. All right. Pour it out.
I knew she had M&M's. I could hear it.
But it smells good, right? Ooh, I want to taste
She has mini
I
M&Ms.
wonder
Let me
what
get
happens
some.
when they fart. Like when they
They
like
fart?
no, when they like explode.
So here are the mini M&Ms. They're little tiny ones. Ah! It is now time for Team Big Sister.
You better give me all my money.
No, that's not blue. That.
I think it's a 2. It's a car. It's a 2.
That's a 2. All right, let's get your number back. Number 2. Oh, no, that's number 12. Number 2. Ooh, you have Rice Krispie M&Ms.
I see.
Mmm.
Ooh.
Crispy in the center. So, guys, are you Team Naya?
I really love the taste of these.
All right, so I'm
yeah,
going to
me
cut the corner for you.
Wait, you're cutting it already?
Yep. Ah! It went into your thing. All right, pour it in and see if you have glue or M&Ms.
I have M&M's.
Oh, I need one of those. Whip
M&Ms.
it. Slip it. Whip it and just slip it. I really need to taste
Are they
one.
good? All right, let's go. Team Naya's going to
Here.
forfeit her go.
I need help.
Really, Ellie?
I have to taste it. I'm out. I have to pull tails. Mommy, look.
Oh, her color's starting to come out in hers. Look, they have like drops of color coming
Yeah,
out.
they are. Like, I wonder what happens when they explode. Like that.
Look, so the color, look, you can definitely see the dye coming off of these.
I just can see the Rice Krispie Kreme.
Elliot, it's now your turn.
What are those Krispy Kreme M&Ms? Yum.
Krispy Kreme M&Ms. M&Ms.
10.
Number 10. Oh, Ellie, you get this beautiful yellow bag. Here you go. So you can open it from the top. Do you think you have M&Ms or glue?
Giant M&Ms.
peanut M&Ms, Ellie.
Oh, they're humongous. She has little M&Ms and humongous
M&Ms. And now it's time for Naya.
Gosh,
You don't like it? Oh, she's not a fan of the peanut ones.
Everyone's for that.
Oh, you have crunchy mint. I've never had these. They look like they could be delicious. So I'm just gonna pop this open for you a little bit. Do you guys think Big Sister has the actual M&Ms or the glue? Let's see what she gets.
I hate this thing, even though I know it's not M&M's, but I hate it.
I love it.
Are you gonna
Can I
say
take
some taste? How do you like it?
Okay.
All right, here you go, Ellie. I love thin mint.
6.
That would be my favorite flavor. 6. Ooh, caramel. Do you like delicious caramel?
I hate caramel.
Naya, you hate everything. Be careful, Ellie. We don't want anything spilling.
No! One of them! Jeez.
They're just as
Let's
big
see.
as the last ones.
Let's see some of these. Oh, she has caramel.
But mine's gonna be rainbow. Yeah!
But rainbow, when it makes up together, it makes
So
it
these
brown.
are her giant M&M caramels. Let's get one open and see if we can see what it looks
Yeah,
like.
I'm gonna try one of the caramel.
Oh, those are good. Oh, those are good. All right, Naya, here's yours.
I don't like anything.
You don't like anything at this
Pretty
point.
good. Maybe we did an M&M Sour Patch or eat it.
That sounds disgusting. Chocolate with
Number 4. All right. Nope. Here. Oh, you have almond. Do you guys think she has almond?
Do we get anything else for M&M's?
I don't know.
It's a challenge. All we get is M&M's. It's like giant ones.
Oh, those are huge.
And they're bigger than Ellie's.
Please
Okay.
say I get one. 11.
11.
Please say
Oh.
this is beets or something.
She
Please
has
say this
mint.
is beets, mommy. This is not even gonna be so mad.
Here you go.
Ah!
I don't know why you guys are picking all the ones with M&M. Sorry. Here you go,
All
Naya.
we get is M&M's.
Number 8. Peanut butter M&M. Naya, you look like you want a peanut butter M&M. All right, here you go. Be careful.
Oh, I definitely want the peanut butter M&M. It sounds so good. Peanut butter's my favorite, and so it will be Ellie's too.
Yuck.
Pink glue.
Ew.
She says yuck. Pink glue.
Yuck. Yuck. Yuck.
Here you go.
Please say I did not. Oh, I got 3. It's kind of like.
You have peanut M&Ms
I
again.
got F for M&M.
She got an M for M&Ms.
Yeah.
Here she is.
It's the Donald Tree.
That is not the Dollar Tree. All right, here you go, Ellie. Whoa, be careful.
What is
She got white glue.
Well, that wasn't really helpful. Just like.
This is not really a good challenge. Okay, when I'm done, I'm gonna throw away all of this M&M. Even though we can't keep it, I will throw it away.
All right,
for
so now we're come to the
away.
last round where the ladies each pick a number.
We're not ladies.
Naya.
Whoa,
All right,
whoa.
don't open it. This is a trade round, so whatever they get,
We open another?
they get to face off to see if they get to Naya, you okay? You with us?
No, I don't know you.
Can we do it?
All right, go ahead and open it.
Okay,
They get to
12.
trade it off. 12.
Then I got the other number.
So-
I don't need you.
Ellie has number 12, which is the milk which is the milk chocolate. Naya has number 1, which is the dark chocolate. So let's do rock, paper, scissors to see who.
Wait, they're both dark chocolate?
One is milk and one is dark.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, so Naya, would you like to keep number 1 or do you want number 12?
I'll keep one.
All right, so Naya, won't you go ahead and wait, Ellie, you don't open yours yet? We're going to start with Naya since she is our winner. Go ahead and open it up.
She gets blue.
No, I got M&M's, Ellie.
got orange glue.
That
She's
looks
putting it
like
at the
all
very
kind. It
bottom.
looks like I don't know. You know what? Yeah, I kind. Wait, what's gonna talk
How does that poop look?
School.
Here you go. Be careful. What do you guys think? What did Team Little Sister get? She got red glue.
No, it's pink.
That's
No,
red.
but it's gonna make pink with the white.
I guess I don't know. Yeah, but this is gonna make pink. Yes, Shawty.
Team Little Sister, this is your slime, your M&M slime so far. As you can see some of the colors coming out. Oh, do that again, Ellie. You got a rainbow going at the top. Look at that. All right, Naya, this is Big Sister. Oh, she's getting us a rainbow of hers. Look at those colors melt together. What color do you think these slimes are going to end up being? All right, guys, start mixing. Let's see what colors you guys get.
I've been racing over the hill, to figure out what color I'm going to get. Maybe I'll get purple.
Mine is kind of like a strawberry, like icing with chocolate in it. Mine looks like strawberry chocolate, kind of like.
Guys, she's going to keep talking about strawberry. Anytime she gets
Yeah,
strawberry milk, strawberry anything.
Anytime she gets pink,
All right.
she's called it strawberry.
All right, so stop mixing. Let's go ahead and pour in some of this borax.
Mom, you want to taste my soup?
Ew. Worst thing ever.
My
All right, Naya, start mixing your activator.
I'm
Ellie, start mixing yours.
Kids in the camera want to taste my soup.
All right,
This
I
is
don't think it.
crunchy caramel.
All right, let's turn it sideways so you can mix it better. And Ellie, I'm gonna turn yours so you can mix yours.
This is
better.
a chocolate chip cookie that looks disgusting.
Mine kind of looks like mud with eyeballs in it.
Thank you, Ellie. Thank you. I look like mud with eyeballs in it.
Oh, yours looks like chocolate chip cookie dough.
Yeah, that's what I thought. It looked.
Dude.
No, it looks like mud with
No,
eyeballs in
it looks like chocolate chip cookie dough.
Hey, there's a little orange one trying to hide. No.
All right,
Miss
keep
Dog.
mixing. All right, Naya, start mixing yours in by hand. Ellie, start mixing it. Let's
Oh
see.
my goodness, it feels great. It's not cold or like oh, it feels nice and hot.
Naya just needs hot slime. Team Ellie, this is what you're working with. It
We
kind of
look
has like a pinkish tone to her M&M slime.
We have
Me and I are the same. Yeah, me and I
No,
are the same.
Naya, yours is clearly in the camera even more like a brown. Naya's looks like
Yeah.
brown cookie dough. Ellie's looks like.
pink cookie.
Yeah, I
Pink
think
cookie
mine's
dough.
fine. I think our slime
All right,
is
let's
sweet.
see you stretch it up for me real quick.
It's so much borax in it.
Woo! Let's see if you can make any big bubbles.
Okay, I'm gonna.
It's so hot to my stomach.
All right, let's see if you can grab it.
Mommy!
Whoa! She got a M&M bubble.
I'm so mad and jealous.
You're jealous? Who can stretch really far while still sitting? Let's see who can stretch. All right, stretch. Naya looks like she's gonna win. Naya's going too fast, so hers broke.
Ellie's cheating.
No,
She's
she's
on her
not.
knees. She's
Oh.
on her knees.
Oh, look at
Can I feel my
Ellie.
knees?
But she's doing a beautiful stretch.
Whee!
Naya, you're going too fast, so yours is falling apart. Oh, there's Naya's slime. These are huge chocolate chips. Let's get up really
If you love chocolate chips, today's your dream slime.
Your dream
You like
slime is
chocolate
here.
chips and
Oh,
slime?
Ellie, look at that. So, guys, leave a comment. Who is your favorite? Whose team reigns supreme? Will it be Team Naya, which is Team Big Sister, or will it be Team Ellie, which is Team Little Sister?
Hey guys, tell me down in the comments what M&M do you like? Do you like peanut butter, mint?
Yeah, what's your favorite
Rice
M&M flavor?
Krispie?
Ew! Ew! Naya's chocolate spit on me. Wait, is your spoon in there? Ellie's spoon got lost.
Ew, yeah.
All right, let me see if I can grab some of this because these girls aren't as good at stretching as me. I'm the queen of slime.
No,
stretching.
you're not.
Look at that,
You're
guys.
so terrible.
Did you guys see my beautiful stretch?
It was
No.
ugly.
Here we go. Let's see. Oh, queen of stretching slime. Here she is. Don't be jealous, Ellie. I got that beautiful. In fact, let me give you
No,
guys.
mine is beautiful.
Let me give you guys a little wind down.
Whee! Guys, look at mine.
Okay. And let me give you a wind down of Naya's. Hold on, if Naya can. I don't know what Naya's doing.
I'm trying to make a bubble.
All right, let me. You took mine.
What do you want? You flex it
Hold
up
on, no.
and I'm going to put a bubble over
No,
it.
I'm gonna do a wind down.
Yummy. Bubble, bubble.
All right, that's it. Make sure you guys subscribe to this channel.
Yeah,
Naya versus Ellie. And make sure you check out our Instagram at Naya and Ellie on Instagram. Make sure you follow us. And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Whoa, look